have OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, you put this tool inside the hole on the slot, you slightly press it and the slot pops out. Now we can freely eject it. So from this side you have SIM 1 and from this side you have SIM 2. So let's insert SIM 1. So you just do it like this and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.